Me too! It is gonna be so much fun! Hey, Leo! Do you want to play football today? We are going to the park. Sorry, Henry. I cannot play today. Why not? Are you busy? Yes. My dad is coming to pick me up. We are going to the cinema together! Wow, that sounds really fun! Which movie are you gonna watch? It is a new movie about a super robot. Lucky you! Okay, goodbye, Leo. Have fun. Goodbye, Henry. See you tomorrow.
It is 5 p.m. I am on time. Leo will be so happy to see me. I already bought 2 tickets for the movie. This will be a great evening. Whoa! Why are we stopping? What is happening? Oh no. This is a huge traffic jam. Come on, please move. We have a movie to catch. It is 5:30 p.m. The movie starts at 6 p.m. Leo is waiting. He must be worried. I need to call him. My phone is dead. This is a disaster. Leo is waiting alone. He must be scared. I am so sorry, Leo. Leo? Is that you? Why are you still sitting here? It is getting late.
Hello, Mr. Guard. My parents have not come yet. I am a little worried.
Do not worry, Leo. Here, use my phone. You can call your parents.
Please answer, Dad. Please.
The number you have dialed is not available.
His phone is turned off. Let me try Mom. Mom is not answering either. Maybe she is driving. Maybe there is a traffic jam too. They will come soon. I just have to be patient. Wait. Mom taught me how to take a taxi. I know my home address. Mom, Dad, do not worry. Sent.
That was very smart, Leo. Now they know where you are going. Let us stop that taxi together. Be careful, Leo. Get home safe.
Thank you so much, Mr. Guard. Goodbye.
Good evening, young man. Where are your parents?
Good evening, sir. I am going home alone today. But my parents know. I sent them a message.
Oh, you are very brave. Very good.
And look, you fastened your seatbelt right away. Excellent.
My mom always says, please take me to 123 Gray Street, District 1. Do you know the way?
123 Gray Street. Is it near the big park with the fountain?
Yes! Go straight past the park, then turn left at the bakery. There is a blue gate in front of the house.
Perfect. I know exactly where that is. Let us go!
Mr. Driver, why are there so many red lights tonight?
It is rush hour, my boy. Everyone is going home from work at the same time.
Maybe my dad is also stuck in this traffic. I hope he is okay. What is that machine between the seats?
That little box with the numbers?
Yes.
That is called the meter. It counts the distance and calculates the money.
It says $4 now. The number is going up.
Do not worry. We are almost at your street. Here we are, 123 Gray Street. Safe and sound.
The meter says $5. Here is a $10 bill.
And here is your $5 change. And your receipt.
Thank you very much, sir. Have a nice evening.
You are a very responsible boy.
Hello, Mom. Hello, Maya.
Leo, you are home.
Wait, where is Dad? Dad is not here. I came home alone. I took a taxi.
By yourself in Texie? Leo, are you okay?
I am fine, Mom. I paid the safe driver and texted you.
Leo! Leo, are you here? Are you safe?
I am fine.
Oh, Leo, I am so sorry. Leo, I am so sorry. The traffic was stuck and my phone died. I was so worried.
Calm down, Ethan. He is safe now, but please check the traffic next time.
Sorry again, Leo.
It is okay, Dad. I was worried, but I remembered Mom's rules, and the school guard helped me.
You did great. You stayed calm and sent a message. I am so proud of you.
You are like a real-life superhero, son.
But Mom, we missed the movie.
Next weekend, we will all go together. I promise.
If you are waiting alone, please stay calm. Do not be scared. Always use a trusted adult's phone to send a quick message to your parents.
Then take a safe cab if you need to, and always wear your seatbelt.
For more, please subscribe to Sip by Sip English right now.
Tag! I got you! Now, let's play with the ball. Leo! Catch the ball! I wish I had friends to play with. Hey guys, look over there under the big tree. Do you see that boy? Yes, I see him. He looks very sad. Yes, let's go. No one should be sad in the park. I am Sophie. These are my friends, Leo and Mia. What is your name?
Hi, my name is Ethan.
It is nice to meet you, Ethan. We saw you from across the field. Why are you sitting all alone?
Because I don't have any friends here. No one knows me. Well, you don't have to be alone anymore. Do you want to be our friend?
Yes! Come and join our team. Let's play together right now.
Really? Yes! I would love to!
Catch it, Ethan!
Nice catch! Now throw it to Mia.
Here it comes, Mia. Catch! I got it! This is 5, 10, 15, 20!
This is the best spot.
Shh! Mia is near. Ready or not, here I come! I found you! Caught you both behind the bush!
Mia!
Wow, Mia, your eyes are like a detective. You are very good at this game. Found you, Leo!
Oh my goodness! You scared me. Ready? Set! I won! We won, Sophie! Wow, Ethan! You are a super fast runner!
High five! Good job, Ethan!
That was an amazing race! Thank you so much, Sophie. Thank you, Leo and Mia.
You are welcome, Ethan. We will play here every single day. Hey, friends! Did you like our story today? We had so much fun playing together.
Yes! And remember my story. If you ever feel lonely or if you see someone sitting all alone in school or in a park, please do not be shy.
Go to them. Smile, say hello, and share your toys. A small act of kindness can make a huge difference in someone's life.
Be a hero today. Make a new friend. Because everyone deserves to smile and play.
If you want to learn more easy English with us, to our channel, click the big subscribe button right now so you never miss our next adventure.
Look at these fresh strawberries. How much per kilo, please? They are only $3 a kilo, sir. Very sweet today.
Sophie, do you want some oranges too?
Yes, Mom. Can we also buy some sweet red apples?
We'll take some apples too.
Here you go, enjoy.
Where is Sophie? She was standing right here next to me. She's gone!
What? Sophie! Sophie!
Wow.
10 and 20.
Look how beautifully it spins.
Oh my goodness! Have you seen a little girl? She is wearing a purple and white striped sweater.
No, sorry, ma'am, I didn't see her.
Yes, I have the girl. She wandered off alone. No one saw me take her. Meet me at the back exit.
Why are we here? Please, I just want to go back to my mom and dad right now.
Quiet! Do not say another word. You stay right here and don't make a single sound.
Auntie! Uncle! What's wrong? Why are you rushing?
Sophie is missing. We were buying fruit and she stepped away into the crowd. We've looked everywhere and we can't find her. Sophie is missing.
What? Sophie is missing? Don't worry, Auntie. We know this market very well. We will help you look for her
Let's
right
check
now.
the toy stall's colorful toys.
Mia, look! Look at this nail on the door. Sweater.
She must be inside this dark building. Let's call the market security guard quickly.
Stop right there! Put your hands in the air immediately! Do not move!
Sophie, run over here to us.
Don't worry, little girl. You are safe now.
Hello, Sophie. You are a very brave girl. Do you feel any pain?
No, doctor. My arm just feels a little bit tight, but it does not hurt badly.
Okay, let me take a look. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Good. Is she going to be okay? She is perfectly healthy. I will prescribe some light medicine for her stress.
Leo, Mia, you are the best friends in the whole world. Of course, Sophie. Friends always protect each other. I am so glad you are safe. Yes, no one can hurt our team. We hope you enjoyed our story today. It was scary, but I am so happy my friends saved me. Today's big lesson is about market safety. When you go out with your parents to a busy market or store, please always hold their hands tight.
Yes! Never walk away alone. Even if you see beautiful toys or strangers can be dangerous, so stay close to your family.
If you ever get lost, do not panic. Find a security guard or a police officer immediately and ask for help.
If you want to learn more useful English phrases with our stories every single day, please subscribe to our channel.
Click the big subscribe button right now and turn on the Miss Our Next Adventure. Thank you so much for watching Sip by Sip English. See you in the next video!